N.R.T here, guys. So today we will be fixing a flat rear tire on this 2022 Kawasaki KFX 50. So first, if this is a little quad or a sports quad, they are extremely light. So what you do is you pick it on up, you set it on your jack, or your dirt bike stand, jack like that. And now we are going to put some air in this until we find the leak. I did find the leak before, but it's been a while, so I'm gonna find it again. You want to get the leaks fixed, because if you drive around on it, you can bend the rim, and then you got bigger problems. So it will bubble. This is soapy water in a super clean bottle, but when you spray it, the leak will bubble where the leak is. So when you see it, that's what that is. But seeing, I know this tire has a leak in it. This wear. Alright. Let's keep. Okay, well, I'm not saying I'm gonna let that sit. Maybe we got a slow leak, but I got a. This is what I got. That right there. To fix the issue, I believe it only has one hole in it. Must have ran over a nail or something. But one hole there, so got this kit. I'm gonna fix it for the customer. Gotta find the leak though. I marked it when I found it, but that was a while ago, so mark's not there no more. So go ahead and see right there. See that? It's right there. Okay. You seeing that? Okay, let me bring you guys in. That right there. That right there. See that? See how that's bubbling? Okay. First you take this tool. It's right there. I don't know if these are tube tires. I don't think they are. And just clean that up. Okay. Now, take one of these things. These are fun. Get your hands all covered. Sticky crap. It wasn't too bad, only $8. Got it at Ace. I probably had one of these kits, but I couldn't find it. I want to get this fixed before it bends the rim. Now what you do is do one of them and you pull it just like that. Then you take it, go around like that. Now, come on. Gonna air it up. Beautiful day in the Pacific Northwest. Ready for Thanksgiving. Ready for some turkey. Holidays are near. Should be working on N.R.T again. That I gotta take that stator plate off the old engine that I got and go from there. But now, what you can do is you can leave this. You can cut it with the razor blade. I might just cut it with the razor blade. I don't know. I may just leave it. But I'm gonna get the tire over here. Oh, looky right there. We got a nail in this tire right here. See, that's why I sprayed that tire down. Is looky right here. Looky right there. You got a nail right through it. Get my needle nose and try to get that screw out. Looks like a drywall screw. I was thinking like something in. Look at that guy. It got him. He was in there. Take this. Okay. Get another one of those things. It would not hurt if you have tires, lawnmowers, ATVs like this. I mean, I'm a repair shop, so I got tons of this crap, but it wouldn't be a bad idea to have a kit like this around, because you always be picking up crap with tires. And you don't want to be down. Because you got a flat tire. Okay. So there we go. I don't know if there's another. Wouldn't be surprised if there's another damn nail or something. I mean, I noticed the last couple times I've test drove this thing that the tires, rear tires don't hold air worth of crap. So if something goes out. And that's the reason why, is because we had nails and one of the tires had a rip in it, it looked like, so. Or they had a nail and the nail got removed and didn't get patched. So we got that patched, we got that patch. Gonna go ahead and just haul back in the shop. Try to get some piggyback terminal connectors yesterday, but they didn't have them. So, but I'm gonna go test drive it. So. Crap. Alright. Well, tires are holding air. I'm probably just going to let those wear off. And it's holding air. So that's how you fix tires with N.R.T. And it's basically the same process on a lot of tires. It matters how big. I mean, if you got a nail, it's the same process. If you got to rip it, it's a little different, but pretty much the same. But please subscribe, like, comment, share this video. And I'll catch you on the next video.